It'll be in the other stop? Oh, okay.
Your bag. You forgot your bag.
Hey, buddy.
It's too late now.
Oh, what's in the bag? Gotta be careful. I never know what's in the bag these days. You know what? The next stop is throw it outside.
Did anybody look in it? What's in it?
Dude, man. Oh, you got back on the train. I had to run so
You got off the other stop. How'd you even get in there?
Oh my God! Thanks for taking care of it. Thanks for taking care of my bag. Yeah, but you jumped back on the train. No, I didn't. No. How'd you get here? I ran. You ran on the track? Yeah, I ran opposite side. I got outside the subway. Yeah, man. You went outside the subway and ran that.
You guys, do you know what's going on?
I'm the fastest guy, man. You better join the Olympics there.